Baby Bath Guide, Safely and Comfortably Bathing Your Newborn Part 2. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on safely bathing your newborn. In this video, we'll walk you through step-by-step instructions to ensure a secure and comfortable bathing experience for your baby. Let's dive in. A step-by-step guide on bathing babies. In order to bathe your infant in a secure and comfortable manner, here are some steps. When you are ready to remove your baby's clothing, use cotton wool or a gentle washcloth that has been dipped in lukewarm water to clean their eyelids, moving from the inner eye to the outer eye. Remove any excess water by squeezing it out. Make sure that each wipe is made with a fresh piece of cotton wool or a clean portion of the cloth. After that, cleanse your entire face. Take extra precautions to avoid putting anything in your infant's neck, nose, or ears. In the process of disrobing your infant, remove the diaper last. You should use one arm to hold your baby's body while the other arm is used to cradle their head and shoulders respectively. Place your infant's feet first in the bathtub and gently lower them in. Make sure that you always have a firm grip on your infant. Your infant should be washed with a gentle washcloth and warm water. If it is necessary, use a gentle baby cleaner. To begin, clean your baby's neck and body, and then move on to cleaning their genital area and bottom. Additionally, take care to remove any traces of feces, milk, or vomit from the creases of your baby's body. Once or twice a week, you should wash the hair of your infant. In order to prevent your baby's head from becoming chilly, it is recommended that you perform this step after you have washed the rest of your baby's body. As you hold your infant in the bathtub, gently splatter water onto their head and wipe their head with a clean washcloth. Do this while you are supporting them. It is not necessary for you to use shampoo. It just takes a few seconds for children to die in water that is quite shallow. Regardless of whether you are using a bath seat or a cradle, you should never leave your infant alone in the bathtub. Never leave older children or siblings to watch after younger children. In the event that you are interrupted by the phone or another task, remove your infant from the bath or basin. Thank you for joining us in this essential guide on bathing your newborn. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with other parents. Remember, your baby's safety and comfort always come first. Until next time, happy parenting.